Welcome back to the Rundown. Well, Israel is already the startup nation, a global trendsetter in such fields as cybersecurity. But can it also become a world leader in food technology? Well, that's the vision of billionaire entrepreneur and ex-parliament member Margalit, who has founded a tech startup center in the northern Israeli town of Kiryat Shmona. Science and technology reporter Ariel Levin-Waldman went to the grand opening to see just what's being cooked up there.
Food technologies are undergoing a revolution in Israel. In northern Galilee, the world's first startup city dedicated to the future of food tech and uprooting traditional farming.
There's two revolutions that are coming together: the technology revolution, the agriculture revolution. Food tech needs to be the big answer to change food and agriculture, because right now we're feeding animals and we're slaughtering 5 billion cows a year. The planet cannot hold.
Biggest challenges of food technologies is feeding a growing global population, now in the vicinity of 8 billion people. And to do that, the world has to move away from meat-based proteins to more plant-based ones. And that means finding solutions that don't look very likely. For instance, this is not your standard ice cream. It's actually a plant-based protein from chickpeas. And one that tastes just like the real thing.
So a major theme is new ingredients to turn just about anything into sustainable food sources, and simpler ones.
The food companies today formulate with more than 20 ingredients when they're going to a recipe. And what this unique ingredient allows them is to formulate with 6 to 8 ingredients only, which are all natural, and this saves a lot of emission.
Though not everything meant to be sustainable is appetizing at first glance. How many of us are willing to eat bugs instead of burgers?
Existing protein sources are reaching their limitations. Hargel's mission is to deliver a better protein alternative, healthier for humans, healthier for the environment, in a safer and more efficient process. Grasshoppers are nature's most efficient protein source.
Another challenge, handling how we eat. The Western diet is causing a global obesity crisis. But what if chocolate could be the cure, not the illness? Well, that's also on the menu here.
We are taking medicine, herbal medicine, from Chinese medicine, from all kinds of herbal medicine, makes them as very complicated compositions and integrate them into foods.
Not all food tech actually looks like food. This might look like a plastic cup, in fact, but it's actually a plant-based product, and one that's biodegradable, eliminating waste and actually becoming compost itself to feed future crops.
Our main service is reducing the damage created from single-use plastic. We provide biodegradable products, and then we collect them to an industrial compost facility.
The ultimate goal is to turn Israel's north into a tech hub for food, similar to how Israel's south has become a hub for agriculture or the nation's center for cybertech. And that goal is keeping Israeli tech on the plates of global investors.
Now, writer